Okay lang naman yung alat niya. Balance na.
Ano may second course mo dito?
Ow!
Oh, thank you.
Ang lasa nito. Masarap pa. Palilam naman.
Yum.
Ito na po yung main course meal, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Shoulder ko pa.
Sakto lang. Waiter,
Yes po.
can we talk to your head chef?
Okay po, wait lang po ah.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I'm the head chef of this restaurant. How can I help you?
I'm Brian Gabriel. I'm a food critic.
And I am Christine, and also I a food.
May gusto lang akong i-feedback sa food niyo na sobrang sarap at talagang juicy lahat ng mga sinaserve niyo at ikaw.
And the food was delicious, and nakikita ko dito is the plating only does not giving, but
Sorry for that.
the food is good.
Thank you so much.
So hello everyone and good morning. Usually sa ating restaurant, we gather or we have this meeting to improve our business, especially in satisfying our customer. Bibigyan ko kayo ng chance para makapagbigay ng suggestion isa-isa. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to hear. Umpisa tayo sa head chef natin. Paano natin may papagpatuloy yung pagbibigay ng satisfaction sa ating mga customer?
I have one idea, sir. Which is we're going to feature locally based and locally sourced ingredients in what we serve. In that case, mapapakita natin yung best of the best flavors we can offer to provide customer satisfaction and also to have unique experience that no one else has.
That's a very great idea. What about our house manager who manage our supervised staff?
Meron po kong alam na CRM platform.
Wait a minute.
What is CRM? Good question. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's technology that helps you keep track of everything about your customers and your potential customers so you can build great relationships with them. CRM used to be all about sales, but not anymore. CRM is for every department, sales, but also marketing, service, commerce, and IT too. A great CRM helps you do amazing things. It centralizes all your important customer information and company data in one place. So your teams have the right information to deliver the easy, connected experiences customers expect.
Yung Pipedrive. With the use of Pipedrive, kaya natin mag-implement ng reservation system. It will allow us to manage bookings and reservation more efficiently. Plus, we can track our customers' preferences to make them feel valued and appreciated.
Wonderful suggestion. How about our head bartender? How can we evaluate our beverage, creating satisfaction to our customers?
In our drinks, we can introduce a signature cocktail featuring a locally inspired concoction. With that idea, we can provide our beloved customer a unique and memorable drinking experience.
That sounds delightful, actually. Now, let's proceed to our marketing coordinator. Do you have any ideas?
Yes, sir. So one strategy I suggest is the same with our house manager. So we can leverage the use of Pipe Drive marketing automation features to engage with our customers through the targeted email campaigns and social media platforms or promotions. With this, we can keep our restaurant top of mind and also to keep and attract new customers.
Okay, great idea. I can say that this pipeline is really helpful to our business to achieve our goals to our restaurant.
Yes, it is, sir.
I wish that we should have known this earlier. Okay, moving on to our head waiter.
I also have this idea using Pipe Drive platform. With the use of Pipe Drive, we can implement feedback.
Great idea. I can say that this pipe drive really helpful to achieve our goals to our business.
Yes, it is, sir.
I wish that we should have known this earlier. Okay, moving on to our head chef. I mean head waiter.
I also have this one idea using Pipe Drive platform. With the use of Pipe Drive, we can implement feedback system by showing our guests that their feedback is valued and acted upon. We can build trust and loyalty over time.
Thank you for that wonderful idea, head waiter. Excellent suggestion para sa inyo lahat. To conclude this meeting, we're going to use the CRM pipe drive to help us track our sales, increase customer satisfaction by implementing different kind of features. Thank you for all your cooperation, and that's all.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Elise Fine Dining. Titikman natin kung totoo bang masarap talaga yung mga pagkain na sinaserve nila. Yun, let's go! So yun guys, dito na ako sa Elise Fine Dining and naka-order na rin ako ng pagkain. Ang next naman, antayin natin dumating, tas tikman natin.
Here's the appetizer, sir.
Sir. Nice, thank you sir. Pansit. Sarap. Sarap. Laso ng pansit nila guys. Hindi tinipid. Hindi rin tinamad. Sulit ang bayad. So ito yung una kong order guys. Pansit. Sobrang meaty, sobrang daming sahog. Ito yung unang dumating.
Ito po yung second course, soup po.
tinola for the soup. Sarap guys, lutong Pinoy dito sa kanilang fine dining. Guys, tikman natin tinola. Timusan na natin. Sarap. Busog. Guys, tingnan nyo. Diba? Lain ng manok. Ooh. And yung aking last order, dumating na din. Tinola. Ano naman?
Ito na po yung third course, sir.
Thank you, sir. And eto na, dumating na rin yung aking third order. Langka. Sobrang sarap, ang daming sili. Guys, next, langka. Ano ba ito? Ano natin? Hindi ako makain ng gulay guys, pero ay, kumakain pala. Sarap.
Wait lang.
Guys, ito yung wine nila. Tikman natin.
Go.
Ito na po yung third course, sir.
Sarap. Thank you, sir. Guys, next, langka. Langka. Paano ba ito i-pause? Langka. Tikman natin. Hindi ako makain ng gulay, guys, pero ay, kumakain pala. Sarap. Sarap. Sobrang creamy, guys.
Apat.
Matilikman nyo, guys. Must try ito, must try. Must try itong langka nila, guys. Dito sa Lilis Fine Dining. Ito lang yan, matatagpuan. Malapit lang. Guys, last na. Yung main course. Tantayin natin.
Ito na po yung main course, sir.
And ito na yung next na order ko. Creamy tambakol with gata. Sobrang sarap. Thank you, sir. Guys, ito nga pala yung main course. Mali. Cellphone lapit natin. Guys, ito nga pala yung main course ko. Tambakol. Guys, tikman natin, guys. Isdanes. Ang sarap. So yun guys, nakauwi na ako after kumain doon sa Elise Fine Dining. Sobrang solid ng experience, lahat nung pagkain nila, lahat must try. Lalong-lalo na yung tinola. Sobrang sarap. Kaya guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng makakainan na malapit lang, doon sa Elise Fine Dining, testingin nyo. Sobrang sulit. Hindi naman siya sobrang pricey, pero affordable siya. Kaya yan, testing nyo guys. Peace out.
Ano po yung main course niyo, sir?